Hi, everyone. Welcome back to our Keto Kitchen, where we make healthy eating delicious and easy. Today, I'm sharing with you my all-time favorite recipe, creamy Keto Avocado Egg Salad. This is the perfect dish for lunch, a snack, or even meal prep. It's creamy, zesty, and absolutely loaded with healthy fats and protein. Plus, it's super quick to whip up. Let's get started. First, here's what you'll need. 2 ripe avocados. Make sure they're soft but not overripe. You want that smooth and creamy texture. For hard-boiled eggs. These are packed with protein and will make this salad hearty and satisfying. 2 tablespoons of sugar-free mayonnaise. This helps add that extra creaminess. 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard for a little tang and flavor kick. 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. This not only enhances the flavor but also keeps the avocado from turning brown. 1/4 cup of finely chopped celery for crunch. Start by cutting your avocados in half. Carefully remove the pit and scoop the flesh into a large mixing bowl. Grab a fork and mash the avocado until it's mostly smooth, but feel free to leave a few small chunks for texture. Step 2. Next, chop your hard-boiled eggs into bite-sized pieces. Add them to the bowl with the mashed avocado. Step 3. Now it's time to add the flavor. Stir in the mayonnaise, Dijon mustard, and fresh lemon juice. Make sure everything is well combined and creamy. Step 4. To add that perfect crunch and flavor balance, mix in the chopped celery and green onions. Gently fold everything together to keep the eggs intact. Finally, season with a pinch of salt and a dash of pepper. Give it one last mix, and your creamy keto avocado egg salad is ready to enjoy. You can serve it in so many ways. Scoop it onto lettuce leaves for a refreshing wrap. Pair it with some keto-friendly crackers for a snack. Or just eat it straight from the bowl. Trust me, it's that good. Before you go, check out the description box below for a special link to get even more keto-friendly recipes you'll love. And don't forget to show your support. Like this video, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button so you never miss any of our delicious keto content. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay healthy, stay keto, and keep enjoying the journey.